if that isn't a broken system, then I don't know what is. I think, you know, and
Agreed.
but how you fix that, I don't know.
I mean, I don't know how they fix the problem, to be honest, because it needs to move forward and evolve, and it seems to have come to a standing still.
Well, whether it's like a lot of things, sometimes there's a bit of common sense needed in a lot of things.
Well, I'd agree with that.
And the problem with common sense is it's not very common, is it? I mean, just looking back to European products, if you get a European product and you try and use it in the UK, it doesn't matter what it is, any product, you always have to UKize it because the UK market is just different. So any product that you end up getting from Europe, you have to work out how it fits within the UK context. And, you know, we've got experience of doing that and found it, you know, and everybody else who's ever used any...
Would you then consider that fire behaves differently or smoke behaves differently in UKize it?
But when we... But the way that things get done, the way that contracts get lit, awarded or whatever. Yeah, that's the right word. Thank you. And who is the designer is quite different as well, because often in European projects there's a designer and there's an installer, whereas in the UK we've tended to be designers and installers. So, you know, as smoke vent companies, we're designers and installers, and we take on that design responsibility. But now, design responsibility has become quite a thing, hasn't it? Because with Building Safety Act,
Of course.
then people have got to, you know, there are specific responsibilities that have legal enforcement, criminal responsibilities. So again, that's changed the game a lot in the UK.
I think we've moved up. We've caught up a little bit to how it should be. I think too many people didn't value, and some still don't value smoke ventilation. Some people don't value smoke ventilation.
Yeah.
You know, they put it in, and then you then have the problem of people when the systems were installed, of people not actually looking after them, and they don't want to spend the money, and they'll get somebody who's not competent. Thank you. They use people who aren't competent to service a system because they don't see the value. It's cheap.
I think many people just assume that it will be taken care
Of course.
somehow.
Unfortunately, however altruistic we want to be, it always comes down to the filthy luger. So too many people want cheap, and you know, there's you can always say, well, sir, the quality is remembered long after the price is forgotten.
Yeah.